Welcome to CAD 200 Intermediate Computer Aided Drafting. And in this lesson, we are going to look at how that you navigate the course. Now, first thing you want to do, your screen looks just like this, of course. You went Start here, and of course, you're in the Getting Started tab right now if you're watching this video. But this class is going to be set up in weekly tasks or weekly modules, okay? And inside of these folders is going to have everything that you need to do during that week. Like week 1, that would be the first week. Week 2 is the second week, and so on and so forth. Before we get into those, again, up here, you have a lot underneath Start here. You've got a lot of things. Getting Started, Course Overview, Course Instructor. There's a course syllabus up there, but you have a lot of things in here, a lot of resources if you need those. If you need an accommodation, academic resources, Blackboard apps, technology, troubleshooting, and resource inadequate. And any of those things, those are very valuable tools. If you're needing something in that area, click on those. Like academic resource, if I click on it, it will show all kinds of resources and where I have to go and what I need to do to access those resources, like library, Blackboard, technical help if something goes wrong, okay? The next thing, let's talk about these modules. This is where you're going to be this week. So click on week 1, and when you open it up, you see how it drops down here. You have a module overview. If you click on that, you're going to see why it matters. And the first thing you're going to work on this week is going to be a template design. And there's a few things that we've got to also get prepared for. We've also got to download our software if you haven't already downloaded that from the last course you took. But again, why it matters, it'll tell you why it matters. And also you get down here and it's going to show you the competencies that you're obtaining from this week 1's task. Down here, these are the activities that you need to do before the end of the day Sunday, and you will complete project 1 and week 1 discussion board. And also you're going to have to download the softwares and all those things as well. So I'll close out of that, and right here is how to get the software. And there's a video on that. Project 1, this will be the first thing we do. You open up Project 1, and it'll go in here, and it'll show you everything that you need to do for this week. And it's developing templates, and it's to make templates in AutoCAD. You should have done this in your CAD 100, but if you click on this right here, it'll take you to a YouTube, and you can watch that video, and it'll show you step by step how to make templates. And you're going to make a mechanical template for me, and just for the sake of time, I went ahead and I put you a civil template on here that you can use, and also I'll have an architectural template that you can use where you can download those, okay? But that would be project 1, and you're to submit that. Discussion, week 1 discussion. You click on this, and you're going to come in here, and I put a post on here, and I want you just to take this time and introduce yourself. I want you to make a post, introduce yourself, and share with the class what you want to share, but please be mindful and respectful when replying to your classmates as we do discussion boards, okay? And these discussion boards will be graded. And then, of course, the last thing I wanted to show you here is every week on Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., we are going to have live help, a tutoring session and a chat session. about the class. Now that's from 11 to 12 on Wednesdays. If you go up here to the left-hand side, you'll see Blackboard Collaborate, and you will be able to join the session from that point. But also, in that, if you click on this, you're going to have, you can actually watch a video on how to access the meetings to help you to get into that. So if you're having trouble in doing something, you can contact me anytime via email. You can call during my office hours. But from 11 to 12 on Wednesdays, I've designated that time just to help you. So if you have any trouble, log on to that Blackboard Collaborate the way I showed you, or watch this video to see how to do it. And we'll get in there, and if you have a question, we'll work on that, and I'll show you how to fix it. Okay? So each week, that's how it's going to be. All this needs to be completed. Every bit of this needs to be completed by the end of the day on Sunday. That's Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. Okay? Turn that in, and then you start on the next week's project, which will be Module 2, which is Week 2 task, and that will be due the second week of class. And like I said always, if you need any help with anything or have any questions or concerns, email me, or you can give me a call. And right here's my information up here at Getting Started. Remember these useful little resources? Click on Course Instructor. Here's my name, my email, my phone number, and that's a good way. And these are my office hours down here as well. So if you need to get in touch with me, don't hesitate. So I hope you guys have a great semester, and we'll talk to you soon.